Dr. Pricilla Chinyere Nwoga has lived up to her promise of supporting the less privileged and bringing relief to those facing difficult times. As part of activities in remembrance of her late mother, the chief doctor organized a large-scale medical outreach that featured free health checkups, malaria testing, and distribution of essential medical supplies to those in need. Speaking at the event, Dr. Nwoga reaffirmed her foundation's unwavering commitment to improving the health and well-being of Nigerians.
Inflation is so high that many families cannot even afford just 1 square meal a day, not to talk about 2. So that's why I have to do this. I have to look at the infants. I know about the infants born, but the parents can't afford to buy baby formulas. And I've seen children that are 3 years old and they look like they're only 8 months old. So the formulas and the baby food that we have here today, I hope and I pray that we'll do the work, we'll do the magic, even if it's only for 1 week, even if it's only for 1 month, it is something.
I'm here to speak on behalf of my late grandmother on how much she showed us love. She was a prayerful woman who connected us all from Nigeria to America to UK. She loved us all, gave us a lot of gifts.
Dr. Chatachi we have been a family friend now, and she has been doing this project every now and then, attending to my people. And being today, when we lost our mother, she felt that what her mother impacted for her, and she has been doing it, let her come back home and come to the community to assist my people. So I am excited. We are all excited.
She's been trying her all best to see, as she has spoken, to put smile on people's face. And this one is a blessing that she tapped from her mother.
You cannot pack millions into your house for you and your family without showing love to the people and to the public.
She's been supportive of the Ham Nation. She has given a lot of aid, scholarships, women empowerment. We want to say thank you.
Some of the beneficiaries speaking to the media expressed deep gratitude and amazement, noting that in the face of country's harsh economic realities, it was truly remarkable that a single individual can carry out such a generous act.
Thank God for her giving us this medicine. We are thank God for Dr. Chetachi. We are grateful to her. May Almighty Allah console her. May her mommy so rest in perfect peace.
We feel very happy about the kind gesture.
So these children are our children, yes. And I've come officially to say thank you for what you're doing. God bless you for touching the vulnerable, and these are also your children. Thank you very much, ma'am.
This initiative comes at a time where many families are grappling with economic hardship, making access to healthcare and basic necessity increasingly challenging. From Abuja, Tolulope Oguntimeni, ITV News.